Hello beautiful people, in this video I will be showing you guys how to nose contour while speaking with a stuffy nose. First, you will take a fluffy flat eyeshadow brush and trace out your nose with your contour powder. And ladies, as you add that color to the sides of your nose, my number one tip is less is more. As you can see here, I went in with a little bit too much on the opposite side, but I didn't panic because with nose contouring, the key is to blend. Like blend. I can't even stress it enough. Like even if you put on too much, blending is absolutely key with a flawless nose contour. As you can see, I'm just buffing that color in, really blending it out. Even with the side with too much contour, you can see I'm taking my time, really blending that product in, and even taking a step back to really look at my full face. I always say this to people, when doing your makeup, have one mirror that is like smaller so you can look closer to that one specific area, and then a bigger one so you can kind of like pull yourself back and see your overall face in that mirror. And then just take your time. In this video, I did speed up the clip a little bit because I didn't want it to be like 7 minutes of me just contouring my nose, especially if you could kind of get it within 2. And so with that being said, again, blending is key. Less is more. And then if you feel like it's looking a little too dark, you can always take your face powder that you put, when you buffed all over your face, not the setting powder, your face powder, and you can use that to also help blend out the color if you feel like it's too dark. And so with that all being said, I hope you enjoyed this nose contour video. I love you guys so much. You are beautiful, you are brilliant, you are blessed. There is nothing you can do to separate yourself from God's love. And remember, don't you ever let anyone dim your light. I love you. See you on the next video.